In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to make sponsored video on TikTok app. To begin, open the TikTok app on your device. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon positioned in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. From your profile, select a video of your choice. After selecting the video, you will notice three dots located on the right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to access additional options. Within the Options menu, look for the Ad Settings, Feature, and tap on it. This will redirect you to the Branded Content and Ads section. In the Branded Content and Ads section, enable the desired settings according to your preference. Once you have finished enabling these settings, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.